Actor, producer, and sports lover John Abraham, who's a big fitness freak, recently unveiled the cover page of Men's Health magazine. The actor not only features on the cover but has also penned an interview for the magazine that reveals everything about his fitness, life, and films. At the event, John revealed the secret behind his fitness and a lot of other stuff.
Honestly, I can keep going on. It's going to take a lot of time, but the basic things I can tell you, and this is for women too, and women and men. I think you can have any excuse in the world about your work being too difficult and your timings being irregular, but I think you have to find time to have your meals on time. Very important. Very important. Maybe your boss will say, go out and do this assignment. I think you need to carry your tiffin or whatever. Get your food from the house. And this is the best advice I can give each one of you here. Be selfish where your body is concerned and take care of your body. And if your senior does not really care about it as much as you do, he doesn't really care about you. You got to care about yourself. You got to look after yourself. So that's the most important advice I'll give all of you as friends. The other thing, I can't advise anybody on smoking, drinking, doing drugs, but if you can avoid doing all of this, it's great. Especially drugs is a complete no. You know, doing drugs is something that's completely unavoidable. Drinking, I'm sure people drink to socialize. Having a glass of red wine is okay. That's all I can say. 365 days a year, या तो ये मेरा शेप है या इससे 20% कम 20% ज़्यादा है, बट आई ट्राई एंड मेंटेन द शेप 365 डेज ऑफ द ईयर, जो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. और अगर आपको ये मेंटेन करना है तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अल्कोहल नहीं पिए. आप ऑफ कोर्स ड्रग्स की बात छोड़िए, लेकिन ये केक्स जो आप खाते हो, फ्राइड स्टफ, ये सब आपको इससे ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट फॉर अबाउट 4 or 5 years to see some change. And I've been doing it for about 21 years now, 22 years without a break. Last time, मेरा जो favorite sweet है, I like Kaju Katri Barfi. I love that, love it. Oh my. I had it 21 years ago. So I don't have aerated drinks. It's been about 15 years, 16 years. Rice, once in a way, maybe once a year, white rice. So you have to be very strict with your diet, because if you're not strict, you're not going to see results. And trust me, if all of you are very strict, you can be on the cover of Men's Health. I don't practice yoga, but I've incorporated yoga in a lot of my daily routines that I perform. For example, my lower back is prone to injury. So when I work my lower back, I do something called a chakrasana. Chakrasana is when you do an arch. Now that's one of the most difficult things for a man to do. I'm 6'1", I weigh in at about 91 kilos. So in a country filled with branches, I am a bark. You know, so what I'm saying is it's huge. So I try and incorporate a lot of yoga moves in my like pranayam, chakrasana, ashtanga. You know, like there are certain moves that I have, vajrasana. When I want to stretch my quadriceps, I get into a vajrasana pose, and from there I stretch my back out. So I incorporate a lot of yoga moves in my functional training, in my strength training. So it's a combination of TRX, Pilates, yoga, functional, strength. जैसे आप खाना बनाते हो ना, उसके अंदर सब कुछ डालते हो आप to make it tasty. I enjoy my workouts.